Hi friends, do you know the difference between a Torah and the luchot? Today we are going to talk about the difference. So, remember we said that Moshe Rabbeinu went up on Har Sinai, and when he came down, he brought down 2 blue stones. 2 stones of sapphire. These are called the luchot, right? So Moshe Rabbeinu came down with the luchot, and in the luchot were the Aseret HaDibrot, 10 commandments, 10 instructions, 10 mitzvot for us to keep. Now, do you know how many mitzvot we have in the Torah? The Torah has many more mitzvot. So these have 10, and the Torah, remember this Torah? The Torah has 613 mitzvot. See, so it's a little different. So when Moshe Rabbeinu, let me get Moshe Rabbeinu out. Here he is. When Moshe Rabbeinu came down with the luchot, he taught this to the Jewish people. But by the time Moshe Rabbeinu was finished teaching us all the mitzvot, he wrote 5 books of the Torah. So the Torah has 5 books in it. Do you know the names of the books? Bereshit, Shemot, Vayikra, Bamidbar, and Devarim. Bereshit, Shemot, Vayikra, Bamidbar, and Devarim. So, today we are going to talk about how to write a Torah, what is in a Torah, and how it looks like. Okay, so I wanted you to understand that the luchot and the Torah are both like the Torah, but they're different. The luchot are made from sapphire, and there's 2 stones and 10 commandments, and the Torah is made from, do you know what it's made from? It's made from animal hide, from animal skin, and it's written with ink. And there's 5 books in here. So it doesn't look like there's 5 books in here because this is a scroll, but there's 5 parts of it. So when it's written in a book, you get 5 books. When you get it in a scroll, you get 1 big precious Torah. Now, do you know who writes a Torah? I can't write a Torah because I don't know how to. You see, I write notes in my notebook with a pen, but a Torah is not written with a pen. A Torah is written with a special instrument called a quill. Would you like to see a quill? Well, I have a very special guest today who's going to show you how he writes a Torah. He is a sofer. Can you say sofer? A sofer is a scribe. It's someone who writes Torahs. Now this sofer is a super special sofer. Do you know why? Because he's my brother. He trained to become a sofer. He's a super duper good artist. And he writes the most beautiful letters for a Torah. And also a sofer writes a mezuzah and a Megillah. Do you know what a mezuzah is and a Megillah is? So friends, let me show you what a mezuzah is. It's a scroll tightly wrapped up in a case that we put by the door so that when we go in, we can see it. And it reminds us that Hashem is protecting us. And it keeps us safe. It keeps our home safe. Here, see this mezuzah right here? See, it has a shin on the mezuzah. And it's a beautiful case. And it's on a side. Can you see that? And when I come past the mezuzah, I can kiss it. Mwah! See that? So a sofer writes all those special holy scrolls. Now, my brother, the sofer, His name is Yitzchok. And Sofer Yitzchok, is going to show us how he writes a Torah. But first, he's going to show us how he makes the quill. Remember what the quill is? The quill is a special pen we use to write in the Torah. All right, you ready to see him? I'm going to take you all the way to Crown Heights, special store. He has a store called Machon Stam, and there he writes all the most beautiful mezuzot and Torahs that you ever seen. Okay, let's go.
Okay, hi everybody. My name is Yitzchok and I am a Sofer here at Machon Stam. And we're going to show you a couple things today about how a Sofer writes a Torah, the covered Shavuos, right? Shavuos is coming up, and we're going to show you how a Sofer writes some letters and how he creates the feather. He has to first make a feather to be able to use to write the Torah. So we take a feather from a turkey, right over here. We have a feather raw, cleaned. We cut the back off over here so it shouldn't be so difficult to hold. It's pretty tough, these feathers. There we go. So now we have a nice feather over here. We can hold it like this, like a pen. Then what we do is we carve out over here. See what we're doing? Like that. Make a little step in there. Now we're going to slice off the tip. Once you slice off the tip, we have this tool over here, a little like a blade. We're going to split the middle. And we split the middle in order for the ink to be able to slide out, like a calligraphy pen. Here we go. You have a nice feather right there. See, if you look close up, let's take out the middle. You see that? Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to take some ink. This is special kosher ink. Okay. Now we're going to try writing with ink with the feather that we just created. Take a piece of parchment from a cow. This is hide made into parchment. It has to be all made for the sake of the tefillin or the Torah or the mezuzah, whatever we're writing. When the person is tanning the hide, it has to be all with the intention. Otherwise, it won't be kosher. It has to be made like that. Okay, so then now we go like this. We're going to do a base for the first letter of the Torah. There, a base. Put a crown on the top. There we go. Like a little point at the back. And the reason is because we asked the base, who created you? Who created the base? And the base points back to the Aleph. The Aleph is right before the base. And he says that God created. Aleph is God, one. God created me, created the entire world. So that's what the base is for Bereshis. And now we are ready to start writing the Torah. So over here we have a piece of parchment. You see that? This is like a nice piece of parchment. Let me put this down here. And you can use this parchment to write the Torah. This is a nice piece. It says Bereshis right there. We're going to start writing right over here. Now let me just show you over here what it looks like, a Torah which is already written. So over here we have all these different Torahs here. We have a lot of different kinds of Torahs here. People buy them. Let me just give me this for a second. So we have over here, this is already a written Torah. You can see right there some of the letters. And over here, we're going to show you, we have some hide. This is like from a cow. When it's like the middle of the production, right over there. Over here we have some more scrolls. We have some atzichayim, the handles of the Torah. Here we have a place where there's a scribe checking some tefillin. So what I'm doing now is actually I'm writing in an interesting way. I'm not writing regular, I'm doing like an outline for Haskalah, for the beginning of a Torah, where the Sofer will come and just fill in the outlines. So you can see what I'm doing. I'm dipping in the feather into the ink, gently. And then I'm basically going to be going like this. Usually when I'm writing, I'll be filling in the letters like this. Like this. You see how it's fully filled in? But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to kind of like just do the outline. And then later, someone's going to come and fill in the rest. I'm dip it in again. One second, you can just hold it. Have a very happy Shavuos.
Did you see that? Did you see Yitzchok writing all those letters in the Torah? Wow! Did you see the parchment hide? Did you see the handles that the Torah's wrapped around? Did you see the thin little scrolls that's for tefillin? Tefillin is what men wear on their head and on their arm when they daven. Did you see all those amazing things? I love that. Thank you, Yitzchok, for showing us all those amazing things in your shop. Before we go, children, let's sing a very special Torah song. You ready? Little Torah, let me hold you tight. Teach me all your mitzvot so I can do what's right. The Torah teaches every Jew. Torah, I love you. Torah, tziva lanu Moshe. Torah, tziva lanu Moshe. Morasha kehilat Yaakov. Morasha kehilat Yaakov. Morasha kehilat Yaakov. Torah tziva lanu Moshe. All right, friends, that's all for today. I hope you liked it. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.